From the mighty roar of Niagara to the hidden gems deep in the jungle, here are the top 10 most breathtaking waterfalls on Earth. Number 10, Gullfoss, Iceland. Number 9, Plitvice Waterfalls, Croatia. Number 8, Yosemite Falls, USA. Number 7, Cayeta Falls, Guyana. Number 6, Daishan Falls, China, Vietnam. Number 5, Niagara Falls, Canada, USA. Number 4, Iguazu Falls, Brazil, Argentina. Number 3, Angel Falls, Venezuela. Number 2, Seljalandsfoss, Iceland. Number 1, Victoria Falls, Zambia, Zimbabwe. Comment which waterfall would you like to visit.